Hey, Dane here, and welcome to my vlog. And this one is on daily trading. Usually I do it on Fridays. Today's Thursday, and I haven't done it in a while. So, what I'm doing currently is I'm setting my buying power and waiting for those to come, the prices to come down to where I want to buy it. That's basically my strategy right now. I've been really good at that lately because of the fact that I sent my, I didn't send it, but my phone went through the snowblower a week ago, so I haven't been able to watch everything on a daily basis at work. So basically that's what I did. I was watching the lows of each thing, and then I set it for that price. And when you go on here, all you got to do is go to your settings. Once you've got the stock that you want to buy. So when you go to buy, then you're going to have your selection. You're going to get your quantity, of course. You're going to get your type and limit, and you want to do that as a day trade. But what you want to do under your duration is set it for GTC, which is good until canceled or good until it executes. So that's what I did when I lost my phone, because the only way I can check it is when I come home at night. The other side of it, what I did is I wasn't paying attention on my phone because I had several orders set for a certain stock, and when I hit it, you have enough to go in to begin with, but if you don't have enough, it'll tell you at the top that you've got to increase the amount, or you got to decrease how many you buy, or decrease the cost that you want to spend to make it so it will execute. Well, unfortunately, what I did is I had one set for a certain amount, and then I had another one set for a higher amount as far as quantity of stocks. Well, when I punched execute, I didn't realize that I had hit it for a lower amount than I wanted. I wanted more stock, and unfortunately I set it for the one underneath it, and it executed within like I'd say 45 minutes, and I didn't realize that I'd set it for a lower amount, which means what I've done is it costs you $5 to do that execution, and unfortunately I didn't buy the amount that I wanted to get. So now I own it, which means the price of the share has got to go up high enough to pay the execution fee. And unfortunately, it's going to be it's going to have to mix in with a mass amount. And right now, I gotta say, I've spent, I've spent $100 now on, let's see, okay, no, not quite 170, about $75 now. I've got a total of, I've got 133 shares, and I've spent $75 to buy those, well, in commission fees or execution fees, whichever one you want to call it, to buy those. So those are all just alone. I'm going to have to, I'll figure that out later. But right now, I got 133 shares, and I've spent $75 in execution fees. So when I sell the stocks, I have to get at least $75 back out of that 33. So 33, yeah. So 33, 75. So all my stocks right now have to go up $1.77. So, of course, I've got 5 different stocks that I'm paying on, so, they're all going to flux, they're all going to go down, which is what they're doing right now. I got two positive ones right now, and one that hasn't come up in a long, since almost the whole time I've had it, has come up into a positive. And so that's definitely, and then I've got a couple that are, I've got one that's in the negative by negative 9 something, but anyway, so that's where I'm at. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I know it's been a while, but basically I set it up, and then when I add more money to it, then I go from there. I really haven't done any selling at this point. It's basically just buying. Anyway, we will catch you on the next my journey into day trading.